Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to improve battery life on Android phone with Ultra Power Battery Saver. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Phone Master. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Phone Master app. So after you open up your Phone Master, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to battery optimization. Simply click on that, then it takes you right here. Now what you need to do right here is to simply navigate to Ultra Power Savings. So click on that, then it takes you right here. What you need to do is to simply turn this particular button on. And it takes you right here. Next thing you can do here, you can add as many as possible apps that you often use into this particular section. And for you to do that, simply click on here and it takes you to all apps you have on your phone. You can simply select as many as possible. So I'm going to select this particular one right here. I'm going to select this and I'm going to select this. And I'm going to select my Gmail. So the maximum app you can choose right here is just 6. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to simply add my Chrome. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this check mark right here. Just like so. Then we have all this app right here in my ultra saving mode. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I simply click on enable ultra power saver. So I'm going to click on that. Ultra Power Saving mode. Ultra Power Saving will significantly extend the battery life, but not only up to 6 apps. Optionals are available. Simply click on Enable. And with that, you have improved the life